Thank you. Look at this on the right. Oh my god, immense. Oh, I love it. No one behind me. Well, as you can probably see, look down there, man. That's enough to make giddy. Don't want to roll down that hill for fun. I think I'll stop for this one. Looks a bit tight. So you can see the benefits of having rain mode, the longer throttle. Well, this could be fun. Hey, nobody there. Look at this. Look down there. Oh, it's just stunning. Let's beat this bicyclist before another car turns up. Oh, there's no one up here. It was quite busy last time I was up here. Oh, it's just stunning views. Wow, that seemed a bit precarious, that parking spot for the bike. Looked quite upright. Oh, just beautiful. To the left it gets better view wise, maybe not yet. Oh, you do get some distant views. Look around, man. People just like having a picnic, which we can do now, legally, officially, which is nice. Oh, that view there is lovely behind me. I keep riding. I think this was my spot. Yeah, I think this was mine. So let's keep on going. There's no lack of hills. So I want to get up again. I want to get a few more meters into the sky. And get a good view. Oh, that's a nice view over to the right. If I can stop around here somewhere. It seems unlikely, looking at this descent. Look at the state of this. Wow, I'm glad I kept going. Look at this. I'd love to be able to stop, but there's just nowhere. This is a passing place, but I might crash. The ABS is kicking in. Wow, that was freaky. Look at the state. I don't think I can park here without falling off the bike. No chance, no. Unless I turn the bike around, which also seems to be fraught with danger. So I can't stay here, unfortunately. Unless I double back and try and come up again, but still, I shouldn't be stopping here. This is a passing place. Come on, keep going. It's a passing place. Now, don't crash. Right, just let off the brakes. There's no one behind me. There we go. Shit the bed. Well, I hope the 360 camera's getting a good eyeful if it's still recording. Jesus. That's just beautiful. That's me. That's me. That's me. That's ABS kicking off again. I'm glad you're still recording. Okay, that's a nice little stop. Took a couple of photos, but yeah, this is not really a parking spot. It's a turning space, so I feel a bit guilty stopping here. Now I'm parked on a hell of a downhill, so I need to be very ginger about setting off. As soon as I start moving, I think the ABS will start trying to save me, so I just need to roll off. I think, there we go. Ugh, sorted. And I hope no cars coming the other way, which there might be any second now. Something I need to get to the bottom. Turn around. And come back up again, because I'm going too low for my liking. I'll get back up into the... Fuck me, back end come around nearly then on the ABS. Started to overtake the front slightly. Woohoo! That's a bit of downhill, that is. Imagine what this would be like during peak season if it was really busy. Hello, sheepy. It would be horrible. Even now, I'm going to have to be ready to take avoiding action at any moment. That is some ascent, that is. Ooh, let's see. Oh, right, he's got a parking spot. Cheers! Lovely. Barely want to look off the road because it's so precarious. And there's a camera in the middle, it's kind of pushing me left a little bit as I carry on. And there's grit. Stay there, mate. Stay there. Ah, lovely. Cheers! Yeah, I think I'll have to check this out later in the, in the 360 footage. But I don't want to look now.